What's up guys, today I'll be breaking down Tymon's Fullstep 4.68 3x3 single officially with a double X cross, and the scramble will be in the description. So what he did here was an X prime and solves the green X cross slash, well, it's an XX cross. So he does FL to insert this red green cross edge, F prime to insert this one along with this corner, which will make part of an XX cross. So he does a D prime after that to move this cross, to move this F12 edge over here, and then he does an R prime to move it in place because he was gonna connect it with this corner. He does a D prime like that. As you can see, that forms the block. L to insert this cross edge, and then U, as you can see, this edge is already solved into here, right? And then this corner is over here, so doing an R prime FR will make this a block. So now he has a double X cross, but instead of just doing R prime FR, he does R prime F R2 in order to cancel this pair. So cancel into this corner and this edge by pairing it up and then inserting into the back left slot. So that's just an XX cross canceled into solving a third pair, which is quite insane. And he does a YD prime like that, and then U prime. Okay, so the only thing that might be improved about the solve is instead of doing a YD prime U prime, you can just do a U2Y prime, since YD prime U prime is kind of single flicking. But this really doesn't make a difference, like 0.01 difference, no one cares. And then he just solves this pair. So this edge, this corner, these two, L prime U to L to pair it up, and then insert with a U prime L prime U L. So here he could have just canceled into it, but yeah, he could have just canceled into it, but he didn't see that. It's a reasonably easy VLS, but what he did instead was just do the OLLCP, so it's quite long, but it's just a J perm canceled into a sledgehammer, and then in U A perm, like that. So yeah, I'll be showing the solution again. He plans 3 pairs, so L, F prime, D prime, R prime, D U, L, U, R prime, F, R2, U, R prime, L, U, L prime, then solve this pair like that, and then the very long OLLCP followed by UA perm. So yeah, thanks for watching.